Hi guys, this is crazy. Much bigger economic slowdown is coming than in year 2008. Economy will go down and it will not rise immediately. India has already lost 60 lakhs of jobs and 14 crores of jobs are at risk. What are you going to do about your financial security? Are you going to do something about it or are you going to wait for the tsunami to hit you? If you want to do something, be with me till the end of the video. So guys, my name is Vijay Singh. I am a weight loss expert and my goal is to help 100,000 people to live healthy lifestyle. So guys, as you all know, the economic situation due to corona pandemic right now, we can see a slowdown in economic growth. In this economic crisis, companies are trying hard to stay in business by reducing the expenses and holding the cash flow for future business operations. As no one knows the situation after 6 months or 1 year. Companies are not able to cope up with the economic slowdown. In order to survive in this economic crisis, businesses are cutting jobs, deferring annual appraisals, unable to pay hikes and bonus and variable pays. People are having fear of losing jobs. Many companies have already cut their workforce. According to an article published by LiveMint, dated 31st March 2020, 136 million jobs are at risk post-corona in India. As you all know, we have seen financial crisis, recession once or twice every decade. Sometimes financial crisis is due to WTC explosion, sometimes it is due to coronavirus, and sometimes it is due to some other reason and some other reason. The reasons for financial crisis are different at different times. In all these times, countrymen face jobs insecurity, stress, and household budget goes for a toss. We insure our health, our vehicles, life, etc. But did we insure our income source? What do I mean by insurance of our income source? I mean, are you having only one income source or you are having multiple sources? Tomorrow, no financial help will be provided by insurance companies that you don't have any income coming anymore and you can skip your EMI or premiums. Tomorrow, no school or college will be providing any financial help saying that as you don't have any income coming up, you can skip your children's education fee and other expenses. This is the time that we need to do something to have control over our finances. Fortunately, as a team of highly qualified professionals, we are able to set up our digital enterprise over the internet in the health production domain, and it is going very well. So we are working in a domain which is the number one niche over the internet, which is health, wellness, and weight loss. Currently, we have the requirement for selecting the professionals in partnership role, followed by a selection process. The world has completely changed. The way people used to work has changed. The way people used to entertain themselves has changed. The way people used to educate has changed. There are so many industries which have got affected due to this pandemic. Retail industry has affected. Entertainment industry has affected. Logistic industry has affected. So many industries are there. But there are few industries which are thriving as usual. Food industry. People still eat food and they will keep on eating food till the time they are alive. health industry, fitness industry, people need all these things till they are alive on this planet. In certain domain of logistic industry, they are not affected. Digital services, conferencing, streaming, gaming, all these industries are thriving in this time. So what do you see in common in all these industries which are thriving in this time? All are operating over the internet. And the good thing is that we are working in the health and fitness domain over the internet. We are leveraging the internet to set up our enterprise, and we are doing very well. We work in prepaid manner. We don't have any pending account receivable. There are 4 ways to do anything when it comes to make money. First is being an employee, where I can get a fixed salary every month. Second is being a self-employed, a one-man show, a one-man army, doing everything on ourselves. Third way is to create a scalable growing business, setting up a team, high performance team. And the fourth, being an investor. In order to be an investor, we need huge amount of money, but to set up a scalable business over the internet in one of the number one niche in health and fitness is possible. So that's what this opportunity is offering to the deserving candidates. So there are certain qualities which we are looking for in a candidate. The person should be hungry enough to do something. He should be appreciable. He should be smart in decisions. He should be humble enough to learn something new. If you find all these qualities in yourself and looking for doing something really, you can apply for that. You can send me your resume or details to connect@singvijay.com,